Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to do a quick video on how to add a birch pole or a moss pole to my philodendron. I've got a birch pole today. A lot of people like to make the moss poles themselves, but I find just cutting a piece of a birch off a branch and using that works just as well. And I like the way it looks a lot better too. I like the natural look of the birch. So it's really simple. I'm just going to kind of make a hole and just jam it in, and then I'm going to use some twine here to secure the plant to it, and hopefully I can train it to grow up that. If you caught my last video I just made in regards to air rooting the aroids, this is kind of a follow-up because once you've kind of cut them and replant them, you can add a pole and train them how you want to grow. This one's getting a bit crazy, and that's why I'm going to do this. Just using the pole itself as my shovel. Try not to take out too many roots as they get in here because the pot's a little bit small. But I didn't spill too much dirt on my floor, but a little bit. And now I'm just going to pack the soil in around the pole. So now what I'm going to do, now that I have my pole, is I'm going to cut some twine here. And I'm going to start wrapping these around. And then just securing them lightly to the pole with the twine. So I like to kind of hook them around the pole like this and then secure them, and then as they grow we can just keep wrapping them around the pole. Moss poles or birch poles are just a good way to get the plant to grow upwards, kind of like they would in their natural habitat. You know, they're trying to grow up trees and things like that to fight for the light, and it keeps them from getting crazy and spreading out in all directions. So. And then obviously if you want to cut the little string ends down to make it look nicer presentation wise, you can, but otherwise that's basically what you get when it starts, and then as it grows I'll just keep wrapping it around the pole and it'll just grow and grow and grow like that. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, hit subscribe, and other than that I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.